Welcome back, students. We are discussing the topic 10 and 100. In the last class, we discussed about concept of 10 and 100. And on that basis, small exercise was given to you. So, of that exercise, we will discuss two problems for your practice. The exercise was like that. Write the places of digit of the following. First number, decimal number of 4.38. So you have to write the places of digit of integral part and also the decimal part of this number 4.38. So first 4 is equal to, it is on the ones place. Here, ones place. Then 3, it is the integral part. So 3 is equal to 10 place. You have to write like this. 3 is equal to 10 place and 8 is equal to 100 place. Second example, 4.62. So 4 is on the ones place, 6 is on the 10 place, and you can see 2 is on the 100. So 2 is 100 place. Similarly, we take remaining two examples. So today's topic is measurement of length in 10 and hundreds. So we are going to discuss, you will learn the today's topic, that is measurement of length in 10 and 100. So as you know, length is measured in meters. Smaller units of length are centimeter and millimeter, and larger unit of length is kilometer. So centimeter, meter, meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter are the units of length, or length can be expressed in centimeter, millimeter, millimeter, meter, centimeter, and kilometer, meter. For example, when we have to measure small object or small thing, we are using the centimeter. When we have to measure the hall, we are using the meter. And when the distance between two cities or two fields is to measure, what is used, that is a kilometer. So first we discuss about 1 centimeter, millimeter. So as you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You can see this is the scale, and this scale have number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the centimeter: 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4. And each centimeter is divided into, you can see, 10 equal parts. So this 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, and one part, it is equal to the 10 part of the centimeter. So that means 1 mm is equal to 10 part of the centimeter, and in decimal form it is written as 0.1 centimeter. So practical will take example here. You can see here. So this is a pencil. So now I have to find the length of this pencil. So I have used the scale, that is a centimeter. You can see here. So this is the 5, then 10. These are the centimeters. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is total is a 14 millimeter. So that means it is equal to 1 centimeter and 4 mm. You can see again. So this is the total are 14 millimeter. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means it is equal to 10 millimeter means 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. That it is equal to 1.4 centimeter. That means 14 mm the length of this pencil, and in centimeter it is 1.4. That means in 1 centimeter 4 mm. One more example. So grips, you can see. So again I will find out the measurement of this. You can see here. So it is total, you can see the number 30, and after 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is in mm it is a 34 millimeter. That means in centimeter it is a 3 centimeter complete and 4 mm. You can see here. This is a 1, 2, 3. So 3 centimeters are completed, and after that how many millimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 centimeter, 4 millimeter is also equal to 3.4 centimeter. Similarly, in meter, you can see 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter is a 100 part of meter. In decimal form, it can be written or expressed as 0.01 meter. That means we can see here, whenever we have to measure, suppose we have to measure the length of this wall. So it will be measured in meter. So it is 6.10, that means 6 complete and 10 centimeter. It can be written as 6 meter 10 centimeter. One more example, 8.5 meter, that means 8 complete meter and 5 centimeter. So here I have given the example of kilometer, that is the 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, that you know. That means 1 meter is the 1000 part of kilometer. That means in decimal form it can be written as 0.001 kilometer. So in other way we can find out this 10, 100 and 1000 part, 110, so it is the 10 part, 110, 100, so it is the 100 part. So on what place decimal is there, then we have to find out. That is the 110, 100, 1000, that means it is the thousands part. So in kilometer I have given some example, 12.500 kilometer, that means 12 kilometers are complete. So 12 kilometer and 500 meters. Then 25.250 kilometer, that means 25 kilometers are complete and 250 meter. Then 5.100 kilometer, that means 5 kilometer complete and 100 meter. So with this you can have the knowledge how to use scale and how to find out the measurement of given object, maybe bigger or smaller in the sense of decimal, that's a 10, 100 and 1000. If you use the centimeter, then it will be the centimeter mm. If you use the meter, it will be the meter centimeter, and if you use the kilometer, it is the kilometer meter. So here one more example of rupee is given. You know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That means 5 paise is a 1/20th part of rupee. As if you multiply 20 into 5, we are getting 100. That means 0.05 rupee in decimal. You can see here 110, 100. 100 paise is 1 rupee. So it is a 5 paise is the what part? 20th part, that means is a 0.05 rupee. 20 paise is the what part? It is the 5th part of rupee. That means in decimal it is written as 0.20 rupee. So with this I think you very well understood how to use the different units of length, also the rupee, to find or to measure the object length of any object, or to conversion of rupee and paisa. So here small activity is given to you to refer. So you take the book, next textbook part 2. You can see here next notebook, the textbook part 2, and in there first you refer the page number 135. You can see here page number 135 is given here, and on this small exercise are given, activity are given. You perform that activity, read the first textbook and then perform the activity. On here page number 136, you can see here page number 136, the candles are given. You have to measure the flame of this candle with the help of scale. It may be 3.2 point something centimeter. Then a column you have to fill. Then here the rods are, you can see here, and this rod you have to color. In what way? You can see here a rod of length less than 1 centimeter. You have to measure the length of this rod, and those rod among these which are less than 1 centimeter, you have to color it in red. Then in between 1 to 2 you have to give the blue color. In between 2 to 3 you have to bring the green color, and 3 and above you have to give the orange color to this. So one more activity, refer page number 138. You can see here. Here you have to measure the length and width of 10, 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee and 5 rupee, and postcard and length of this magic textbook, that is a math magic note, length and width. And one more activity you have to only refer here. You can see here the conversation. Half rupee means it is a 50 paisa. In decimal form, it is a 0.50 rupee. So you have to refer this chart also. So with this, I think you are very well aware about the knowledge of 10 and 100 in decimal in another form. Thank you.